Hi, I am Rincy. Today I am speak about virtual learning environment and learning management system. What is the word virtual? The word virtual means not physically existing as such but made by software to appear to do so. Virtual learning environment is a platform to enhance the teaching learning process through internet. In a current education system, learning in a class is never carried into the home. As a result, students have to rely on expensive tuition classes or other learning methods. Apart from addition expenses, this becomes confusing students with different inputs from various sources of learning. Everything is solved with the help of virtual learning environment. It enhances the learning through two-way interaction between the students and the teacher. Therefore, continuous uninterrupted learning takes place at school and home. Virtual learning consists of the following: activities, two-way interaction with real-life activities to ensure learning while having fun. Interactive learning modules, high-quality modules designed to ensure creative thinking in students. Educational games, real-life relatable educational games that blend learning along with competitions and a playful environment. Educational apps, plethora of free educational apps in the Android market to ensure learning is fun. Teacher-created content, teacher-created assessments, modules, documents, etc. directly shared with students. Share classwork or homework, two-way sharing between students. Real-time assessments, live assessments designed by teachers all by an adaptive engine with reports and remedial inputs. Collaborative learning, students discuss with peers across the country. Consistency of learning for a student at school, home and on the go. It ensuring anytime accessibility on the fingertips. Virtual learning environments neither replace the classroom nor existing educational practices. They enhance them. They are valued as they extend the space of physical learning environment. They provide opportunities to stretch the imaginations of teacher and students alike. What is an LMS? LMS stands for Learning Management System. It is a web-based system which helps to automate learning. In simply, it is a content management system with additional functionalities customized as per educational needs. With an LMS, you can gather all your learning materials in one place and make them available to all learners in one click. Who uses an LMS? Small to large businesses, local and national government agencies, non-government organizations, educational institutions, online and e-learning based education institutions. Let's see the features of learning management system. It allows students enrollment, online content management, online test, quizzes or assignments, online grading and analysis of the student achievements, documentation at every stage and online tracking of the progress done by the students, and awarding of badges and certificates after successful completion of the course. Let's see the benefits of learning management system. LMS saves our time. It reduces the cost. The contents can be modified and reused. due to automation, the work can be reduced. We can schedule all the activities. We can do the reporting to the students where they are lagging behind and how they can improve. Some learning management systems are Sakai, Moodle, Blackboard, Canvas, Chamilo, Dokios, Edmodo, eTutor LMS, and Forma LMS. Let's see the different types of learning management system. The first one, learning management system can be differentiated into web-based LMS or installed LMS. Web-based LMS are hosted online and there is no need of our own server. While in installed LMS, the server is to be given by the Post Institute. The second type is either the software is given as a service or it can be cloud-based LMS, or even we ourselves can host the LMS. The third differentiation between the types of LMS is the LMS may be free or may be for commercial purpose. And the fourth one is the LMS may be open source or closed source type. Let's see four most popular learning management systems: Blackboard, Canvas, Edmodo, and Moodle. First one is Blackboard. Blackboard is a virtual hub for student services that provides access to online course materials, grades, organizations, accounts, and more. It is free to use. Second one is Moodle. Moodle is a free online learning management system providing educators around the world with an open source solution for e-learning that is scalable, customizable, and secure with the largest selection of activities available. Third one is Edmodo. Edmodo is a cloud-based learning management system that allows for collaborative learning through content sharing, communication tools, and classroom management. Teachers can create and deploy assignments, tests, quizzes, and polls to enhance and consolidate their real-world classrooms. Next one is Canvas. Canvas is an easy-to-use cloud-based learning management system that connects all the digital tools and resources teachers use into one single place. You can see the market share of learning management system. Moodle is widely used as compared to Blackboard, Canvas, and Desert2Learn. But Moodle is free and open source, while Blackboard, Canvas, Desert2Learn are paid one. Therefore, Moodle is most popular. Now let's see benefits of Moodle as learning management system. Moodle is open source and free. It is having simple interface which is user friendly. We can customize the platform as per our needs. You can even have offline access. It is mobile friendly. Thousands of plugins can be added. You can have the tracking and analysis of all your students' progress. Apart from this, Moodle can be deployed by using various ways. The first one, Moodle web hosting can be done on Moodle Cloud. It can be used for only 50 students. If you want to enroll more than 50 students, then either you have to install the Moodle on your own server and you can use it offline. And even though unlimited users can be used, but this needs some expertise to install on server. The third one is open source Genomio Moodle. Here unlimited users can enroll. It is an open source and widely used. Moodle LMS. For the corporate and for bigger institutions can be installed, but it is a paid copy. Moodle Workplace. Helping in collaborative learning in your institute, but this is also paid one. And even you can have Moodle on your mobile as an app.